Hello guys, welcome back to Zig, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix eFootball download complete. So recently, a lot of people have been having this issue of download completed and the percent will still be zero. So how are we going to fix this? So this is actually like a app bug issue. Like, so all you need to do is go to your phone settings, right, and you scroll down to where you see apps. You open up your apps and you simply scroll down to where you see eFootball app, right? And you click on that. So once you click on that, you have to click on storage and you have to clear up your cache and also your data. Once you clearing up your data, know that your account may be deleted and you have to relog in again. So after clearing all this one up and the problem still persists, all you need to do is you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and you search for eFootball, and so once you click on that, you click on the main eFootball. You either update the app if you have an update, or you will have to uninstall the app and install it again, and it's going to work for you. So you can see mine has been updating, like it's updating right now. So this is actually how to fix your eFootball app download completed problem. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and locally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.